With the Photo Session app, you can effortlessly merge your photo shoot images with print products and conveniently create collections for families or school classes. Additionally, the app ensures secure access to each collection, making it a convenient one-stop shop for photographers. To begin, let's add a Photo Session application instance. Give it a name and save it. To open the saved example, simply click on the gear icon. There are multiple settings available here. We will cover all of them, but before that, we need to link your cart to the app. Without a connected cart, selling anything is not possible. A tutorial dedicated to the cart and its setup is available. You can find the link to it in the description of this video. Now that your cart is connected, you can add a collection of images to the application. Click on the plus sign to add a new collection. Then click the Upload button and choose the desired images from your computer. Adding a title or description, password, or collection type is optional at this stage. We will discuss these details later on, but for now, you're almost ready to start selling prints. After completing the upload, simply click on Done to go back to the Photo Session application settings. To sell the uploaded images, we need to configure the Apps and Products section. This is where we select the products we want to offer. Make sure your printing services and ordering apps are set up before adding products. Check out our video tutorials for help. To include the product you want, simply click on the plus sign and a dialog box will appear. For instance, if you wish to add a 30 by 40 cm canvas, select the Ordering Interface application from the drop-down list, pick the printing service, and then select the suitable size. If you wish, you have the option to modify the product title and upload a personalized featured image. However, if you choose not to, Hefist will automatically use the information provided by the corresponding service. Please ensure that the product price is set accordingly on the printing service. Please click on the Done button once you have completed the task, and remember to save the changes that you have made. Close the application. To view the content, simply click on the title to open it in a new tab. While it may appear empty at first glance, keep in mind that you have the option to include additional collections within the same Photo Session application. For instance, you could create a group of collections featuring images of a single school class, with each student having their own respective collection. Alternatively, you can also use the Photo Session app to generate password-protected collections for your photography sessions, allowing your clients to securely place their orders from your website's protected area. We have reached the conclusion of the first part of this tutorial. Together, we have successfully added the Photo Session application to your workspace, connected it with the cart, uploaded images, and connected products. Moving forward, in the second part, we will delve deeper into the application settings to achieve more advanced outcomes in the ordering process and presentation.